Hi, I'm Virginia from Alleviate, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Alleviate Forearm Massager for tennis elbow. Let's get started. Our Alleviate massage method has 4 P's: posture, placement, pace, and pressure. First, posture. You'll want to put the tennis elbow massager at the edge of a table and sit up forward and straight. Placement. The ECRB tendon and your general forearm area is where you'll be giving a self massage. Pace is the pace at which you give yourself the massage, and pressure is the amount of force that you're placing down on that forearm when you're doing the massage. Now let's talk about the 4 movements of the Alleviate massage method. To get started, I'm gonna throw some Alleviate recovery balm on my forearm to make sure I get that frictionless glide. The first movement is the glide. The glide is moving my forearm up and down the massager, consistent pressure as I'm gliding. The second move is the rotation. I'm putting my forearm and just rotating my wrist up and down like this. I can feel I'm hitting that ECRB tendon. The third movement is the press. A lot of our users describe the press as acupressure. Lots of force and pressure going from my entire upper body through my forearm, staying stable in one spot, holding for a couple of seconds. The fourth movement is my favorite, the drag. This is a combination of the glide and the press. The first thing you'll do is push into the nodule and glide your forearm down and lift off. Push down into that nodule, glide your forearm down. Consistent pressure, one direction, lift off. Those are the 4 movements of the Alleviate massage method.